Any recommendations for other hotkeys? Um, yeah, there are a few that people like. I actually don't have any set over here on this one, but I personally like digital monitor. I keep my my P2, no, my PF2 key as my digital monitor, so I could turn that on and off. I have a FM. I like to listen to FM radio sometimes when I'm out, just to change the mood, you know. And when there's a transmission coming in, it stops the radio, so it's actually nice. So you actually can hear the person transmitting. The other ones I like are some. I like to change the power sometimes because when I'm roaming and I'm on my hotspot at home and I leave, I have roaming set up so it's sometimes on low power and I need to switch it to high power so I can hit the repeaters outside. And that's another reason that I do that. But, you know, there's any number of reasons why people would set them up. Some people like the monitor because they use a lot of analog and FM. So that's another feature people like. Um, so those are a few that I can recommend right off the top of my head. If we go through the list, I could probably explain them a lot better, but hotkeys are also good for you if you like to do SMS texting or anything like that. Hotkeys are very useful.